Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and confirming it's dead. This protects you and the electronics. Once done, position a stable ladder so you can reach the track comfortably, then put on gloves to avoid fingerprints and cuts. Make sure you have the correct LED replacement and a soft cloth ready to hold the bulb. Why this matters: LEDs are sensitive to oils and static, and a secure ladder prevents wobble. Now you're ready to access the fixture safely. You'll now focus on removing the old bulb without stressing the track connector. First, support the fixture with one hand, then follow the manufacturer motion, tilt, twist, or release a locking ring so you don't force parts. Once the module is free, gently pull it straight out or unclip it, noting how contacts align. Make sure to inspect the socket and connector for corrosion or overheating. If you see damage, stop and consider replacing the fitting. This prevents repeat failures. You insert the new LED by aligning its contacts exactly as the old one sat, then push until it seats or clicks. This ensures a reliable electrical connection. Once seated, resecure any locking ring and verify the track adapter is fully engaged and straight. Now restore power at the breaker and test the light. If it flickers or won't light, make sure the bulb is fully seated, check for a compatible dimmer, and recheck the breaker. That troubleshooting step resolves most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.